Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul and today we are going to see how to use different planes in drawings and the axis. Okay, so first of all we require a drawing. Those who have the Creo Parametric software, open the software and click on the file, take the new file. From starting from scratch to the concept I will guide you. Just untick this from in this file name. You can put your file name over here. I have put this. We have to keep part as a type and solid as a subtype. Click on OK. Next window will come up. On this you have to click on millimeter part solid. Click on OK. System is generating the interface for drawing. Yeah, those who are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel because this motivates me for making more and more videos. So just click on the front plane. After that click on sketch, then click on this sketch view. Okay, and today we'll for this sketch type and for all the small command on this ribbon, you can see over here I have made single video for a single command. You can get on my channel. Okay, so the plane how to use this plane command is in this model. Okay, if you click on this model, here plane is here. Okay, but currently we are working on this sketch, so click on this sketch. Okay, and we'll take the center rectangle and draw from the center point. Okay, this is the center point. Click the first point, the second point. Here rectangle is drawn. Move away and click the middle mouse button. Click on this green tick mark. Now sketch command is closed because I drawn the sketch and close the command. Okay, now automatically I am in the model, as you can observing. Now here the plane command is here. Okay, now just click on the extrude. Object is extruded from this plane to this side. Okay, by 142.68 millimeter thickness or extruded. Okay, what I will do, click on this, make the all the body in as extrude on both side of the sketch. Okay, means I am going to make this sketch or this extruded portion to the both side of this plane. Okay, right now this all the extruded portion is only one side of this plane, which is highlighted in this green color. Okay, just click on this. After clicking here, you can observe now right now the plane is at middle position. Okay, click on green tick mark. Yeah, now we have object for practice is plane command. So through this I will explain you how to use this plane command in various ways. If I have click on this surface, okay, just click on any surface. After that click on the plane. Now here you can see one window is come up here, surface. Okay, extrude one. Now this by default is on offset. Okay, if you click on this drop down, you will get through offset, parallel, normal and mid plane. Okay, so by default this is on offset and asking the distance. Just put the distance 50 millimeter and click on OK. Here another one plane is created. In this way you can create different planes by different according to conditions. Okay, just press the Ctrl Z. Okay, again click on the plane. Now system is asking select up to 3 references. Okay, so for I will select now two surfaces. This is the first one, and press the control key and then select the second one. Okay, now you can see now the plane is at angle, or we can say at in this window here you can see. Okay, the plane is at bisector 1 and bisector 2. If I click on bisector 2, now let's observe the position of this plane. It is in middle of this selected both the surfaces. Okay, if I again click on this, it will be another side. This is the second way of using the plane. Okay, now if you are going to select the third for reference, as I have selected this is as the first, this is as the second surface though, so just click the control, it's not getting selected. Okay, just click on OK. Here you can see this was the second way to draw the planes. Press control, and thirdly, just again go to the first of all adjust your this extruded portion and select this middle plane by selecting this and then click on the plane. Okay, here you can see one plane is generated. Here you can see you can manually drag this plane like this. Okay, and simultaneously here you can see their distance is modifying like this. Okay, and next click on this, and that time simultaneously click this, press the control key, select this plane. Okay, now you can observe second surface is here. Okay, this is the second surface which I have selected in, which is in green color, and before that I have selected this datum plane. This is the first datum plane which I have selected firstly, and secondly I selected this. So these are two references for drawing the plane. So at that time you can see the position of the plane. Click on this, click on bidirectional. In this way you can change the direction of the plane. Okay, like this. Click on OK. Okay, press the Ctrl Z again. Now click on this plane and click on this plane also. Select this both the planes and click on the plane. Okay, now plane the new generated plane is automatically drawn between these two selected planes. Okay, click on OK, and next press the Ctrl Z. Select this plane now, click on the planes like this. Okay, now in this drop down list if you select the through, okay, after selecting through means you can select 3 reference points. Okay, I will show you how it is. Here this is the first point, as you can see highlighting over here. Click this is the first reference point, and select this point as a second. I forgot to press the control key. Okay, so this is the first this is the first point. Press the control key and then select the second reference point, this. Okay, then you can observing how the plane is created and changing the position of the plane. And thirdly, press the control key and select this. Okay, like this. I have selected these 3 references, first, second and third. So this is the through. We can create plane by through. In this, here you can observe all the 3 planes are showing here. Click on OK, press Ctrl Z. So I have shown you different ways of how to play with this plane command. Okay, again select this plane, click on the plane and click on this drop down. We have seen through, we have seen offset, Now click on the plane, parallel to the plane. Again click on the drop down, click on the normal. If you click on the normal, the plane is created normal to this existing plane. Okay, but for that we have to select one reference points. Okay, like just click this first point. Okay, and this is the second point. Like this, plane is generated over here. Again go to the drop down. You can remove this surface which is selected as a reference. Right click and remove, like this. Right click and remove. Okay, just go to drop down list and click on the mid plane. Okay, again this is at the mid plane, and after that just click on display. Here one setting is there, adjust outline. Click on tick mark this. Then this all the 4 corner points are activated. Drag this all the points for better understanding. Here you can see the plane is at the same location. I have changed the size. Click on placement. Okay, click on through, click on normal. Okay, like this. Now this is the normal to this plane. Then again from here you can flip the direction of the arrow. Select the reference plane. If I select this reference plane, then again the plane is as offset by 50 mm to this plane. Okay, click on OK. This plane is generated. This is how you can play in different ways with the plane. One way, another one with by using the axis I will show you. Okay, just select this plane and this plane, and then click on axis. The axis is generated over here. Okay, first of all I selected this front plane and the second plane by by pressing Ctrl key, and then I just click on axis. Here axis is created. Okay, like this, in the intersection of the both the planes, this first and this the second plane. Okay, now again just move away and click on mouse and middle mouse button, and then click on again axis. Now we have to select the references for the drawing the axis. If I select this first surface, here you can see here 2 reference we have to mention. I will select this as the first. Okay, by 142, by default 142.10, and I will select this second reference for the creation of the axis. Here the axis is created and dimensions are generated. You can change the dimension. Just double click, press 100, enter, double click and 100, enter. Here one axis is created. Okay, like this. You can change from normal to through. Okay, again give these references like this. Okay, and click on OK. Here you can observe the one axis is created. Okay, like this you can generate any axis and any plane. One thing is pending, that is how to draw the plane in angle. Okay, so for that just adjust this. Yes, this side we have already drawn this center line between these 2 planes. Okay, I will delete this plane which I had drawn. Press and enter, delete, click on OK. Okay, now select the center axis and select this plane, then click on the plane. Here you can observe the 45-degree, and by taking 45-degree angle plane is created, because this I selected this axis and plane, means from this plane angle is started to generate. By dragging manually you can change the angle of that generating plane. Okay, you can also put over here. I will put 45°. Press the enter and click on OK. Like this you can generate these planes, okay, in different ways. So thank you very much friend for watching this video. You can get all the videos of Creo Parametric, single video for single command, and better understanding. Near about total 75 video I have made on this channel. Kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification.